Alex Kingman here with KGI Capital, where we help people invest in apartment buildings passively and build their wealth. When there's more volatility in the market, it's a good time for passive investors to evaluate or reevaluate their syndicators and general partner teams that they're considering doing business with and investing with, or partners and teams that they are investing with, to see how well they are managing their operational side of each property. It's important to make sure that the syndicators have the experience and the wherewithal to be able to manage what's coming in the market and be able to manage properties effectively while the market isn't just going up anymore. An important factor of strong operational management that is sometimes overlooked is actually the importance of the residents that are living there. And that's something that we take into consideration quite a bit at KGI Capital when we are doing asset management for our properties. We are working really hard to make a positive difference in the lives of each resident who chooses to live in our complex. For us, this is a big part of our business plan because a lot of what we do is we buy and invest in a lot of heavy value add and distressed properties that need a lot of work, whether that's replacing the management and doing a full overhaul of the property management, or renovating all of the units and the exterior and the grounds of the apartment complex. We are adding a significant amount of value to these properties, which means that we are directly impacting the living experience and the living conditions of each resident who resides at one of our complexes. And for us, that's really important. We're really excited about renovating these units because we're able to make a positive difference in their lives. And for everyone who chooses to live in an apartment that we own and manage and operate, we're able to provide a community and a place that they are proud to live at and would enjoy being a part of. And it's a place where they want to stay and they want to enjoy what the community there has to offer. And then it becomes more than just a house that you rent or a unit that you rent. It becomes a community that you're a part of. So how we look at it at KGI Capital is really the better the units are, the better residents we attract. And the better residents that we attract, the better the community becomes. And the better the community becomes, the longer that residents want to stay and the happier they are in their day-to-day lives. This also happens to be the most profitable way to run an apartment complex long-term. It's the right way, in my opinion, and it's the way that makes us feel the best. So a lot of times when you're a real estate investor, people have a misconception about real estate investing that you're a slumlord if you own real estate and rent it out to people. I tell them we buy from those slumlords and improve the buildings and improve the communities to a point where people want to live there and people are on a waiting list trying to move into our communities because they are so good. That's our goal. Our goal is to make it one of the best places to live around, if not the best. So we like to run apartments the right way. And one part of that operational puzzle is having happy, healthy, and wholesome communities that are peaceful for your tenants to live in. It is really important. And it's something that I think a lot of people overlook because they're just looking at the numbers and the returns. But really, to get those numbers and returns and to get even better numbers and returns, this is one of the biggest things you can do to ensure that. If you're not cultivating a good community environment and people don't want to live there, then you're probably going to struggle with the operational side and you're going to have a lot more issues. So really, in my opinion, it's the best way to go about running an apartment building, and it's what's best as well for the residents living there, which is extremely important. That's one of the reasons we're in this business, is to help change people's lives for the better. And that includes the residents. So even when the market gets a little bit rocky or a little bit volatile, it's okay to be afraid, but still get out there and see who's doing deals still, see how they're operating, And don't let it scare you away from at least looking at what's out there and what opportunities are working right now. Here at KGI Capital, we partner with investors to purchase distressed properties and fix them up for profit. Really, our mission is to help build wealth for people and help improve everybody's lives through something as amazing as real estate investing. And if you're wanting to get involved and be a part of this same mission, follow along on the channel. You can reach out to schedule a call and we can chat more if you're interested in getting involved more on the passive investing side of things. We're always happy to chat with new investors and learn more about your capital goals and see if we're a good fit. I hope you have a great day, and I hope that you go out there and live life on your terms today and help others in the process.